Question is, if different words are found with all the letters of the word again and are arranged alphabetically among themselves as in dictionary, we have to arrange the words as in dictionary. The word at 50th place will be, we have to just tell what will be the word at the 50th place. From what letters we have to form letters from the word again. From these letters, what will come first? A, we have to go through alphabetically order. So A, then G, then I and N. If we start from A, then the next four letters after A will be A, G, I, N. These are the letters which will come after A. So we can arrange these four letters in how many ways? That is 4 factorial ways. And if we start from G, then the word are A, then I, N. So we can arrange these four letters in 4 factorial by 2 factorial. And if I will come first, then again A and G and N are the letters which will come after I, and it can be represented in the same way as this 4 factorial upon 2 factorial. So let's check how many words are completed. So 4 factorial, that is 24. 4 factorial by 2 factorial, that is 12. And in this case also 4 factorial upon 2 factorial, that is 12. So we will add them all, that is for 12 plus 12 plus 24, that is 48. So 48 words are already completed. And therefore if we start from the word N, then it will be 49th word. The 49th word will be, what will come first? A, then G, then I, because we have to arrange these words also in alphabetically. So it is nothing but this word is 49th word. So for 50th word, these 4 letters means these 3 will be same. We have to just interchange the position of G and I. G will come at last and I will at second last for the word that will be in 50th place. So the word is N, A, I, G. It is the answer, that is NAAIG. We just have to check it in our option, that is NAAIG. Option number 2 is correct. Thanks for watching.